Okay, here is a carrier comfort central air conditioning unit. Currently not running. And this unit is located at a hotel that we stayed at last night here in Clear Lake, Iowa. Ooh, and is this a heat pump? No way, I think it's actually a heat pump. Yeah, it's got a reversing valve. It's a heat pump. Nice. Yeah, it's a heat pump. Awesome. Yeah, it's not been running. They're really rare to find, especially here in northern Iowa, which is where Clear Lake is. It's from 2021 and it's a 1.5 ton. It's got a cope and scroll compressor. Yeah, it's a heat pump. Awesome. And I probably assume it might have been running in cool mode, maybe last night. And we had a P-TAC unit, which was a Friedrich, but I wasn't able to get a video because we didn't have enough time, or well, I didn't have enough time because we were getting ready to leave. But yeah, it's got a Gentech motor. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of this unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.